Welcome back to another web folk singing session with me. I am Shilpa Mudbi, and today I have a song for you which is sung during grinding grain. You know, you have these grinding stones which are two round stones which grind over each other. This is a song that's sung on that activity. But the song, however, is one with very deep philosophical content. It talks about two sisters sitting and singing to the Guru. So visually you would imagine these two women who are sitting at the grinding stone singing it. But it also could mean the two sisters being the body and the soul. Not just my body is singing to you, Lord, it's also my mind. It's also my consciousness. And it says, while grinding, I will make this stone the feet of my Lord, and heavens, doors will open and voices from the heavens will tell us the true meaning of this life. Let us begin. Ye barakatanyara kudi gurulinga jangama ghade Ye khaya bisakala maadi guru mina pad ke wad ಕೈಲಾಸದವರು ಹೇಳರ ತಂಗಿ ಜಲಮಾದಂಗಿ ಈ ಬಾರಕ ತಂಗ್ಯರ ಕೂಡಿ ಗುರುಲಿಂಗ ಜಂಗಮ ಘಾಡೆ. So two sisters have gotten together and they're singing to the Lord. They make the grinding stone that they're working on the feet of the Lord. And then the heavens' voices tell them the meaning of this life, the cloak that we wear in our lives. The secrets are being told. ಚಿತ್ಯಂಬೋ ಗುಂಜಿಯ ನಿಲವಿ ಸತ್ಯಂಬೋ ಜೋಳವ ತೊಳೆದು ಚಿತ್ಯಂಬೋ ಗುಂಜಿಯ ನಿಲವಿ ಸತ್ಯಂಬೋ ಜೋಳವ ತೊಳೆದು ಮನವೆಂಬೋ ಮರದಾಗ ಹಾಕಿ ಕೆಟಗುನಿ ತೆಗದು ಈ ಬಾರಕ ತಂಗ್ಯರ ಕೂಡಿ ಗುರುಲಿಂಗ ಜಂಗಮ ಘಾಡೆ. Chitta. My consciousness I'm going to steady like a piece of wood that is used to manage the grinding stone. The grain of truth I will wash. Satyambo jwala. Manavembo maradag haki. My mind is a wind flower, a kero mara, in which I will put this grain and I will remove the ketta guna, the bad stuff. ಭಾವಿಟ್ಟು ಬೀಸಲಿ ಕುಂತ ನಿರಗುಣಾದ ಶಿವನಿಗೆ ಗೋತ ಭಾವಿಟ್ಟು ಬೀಸಲಿ ಕುಂತ ನಿರಗುಣಾದ ಶಿವನಿಗೆ ಗೋತ ಈ ಜನ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಡ ಮತ ಭವ ಸಾಕವೈತ ಈ ಬಾರಕ ತಂಗ್ಯರ ಕೂಡಿ ಗುರುಲಿಂಗ ಜಂಗಮ ಘಾಡೆ. ಭಾವಿಟ್ಟು ಬೀಸಲಿ ಕುಂತ. With all my concentration, with all my emotion, I have sat down to do this work, to grind this grain, and the formless Shiva knows this. This work is hard, and I tell him, God, I've had enough of this life. I don't want it again. ಸತ್ಯಾಂಬೋ ಬುಟ್ಟಿಯ ತುಂಬಿ ಸಸ್ರಘಾಳಾದ ಜೊಲ್ಲೋಣಿ ಹಿಡದ ಸತ್ಯಾಂಬೋ ಬುಟ್ಟಿಯ ತುಂಬಿ ಸಸ್ರಘಾಳಾದ ಜೊಲ್ಲೋಣಿ ಹಿಡದ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸೂಸಿ ತಗದ ಈ ಜನ್ಮದ ಭೇದ ಈ ಬಾರಕ ತಂಗ್ಯರ ಕೂಡಿ ಗುರುಲಿಂಗ ಜಂಗಮ ಘಾಡೆ. The truth, the basket of truth is going to get filled with this grain that is being ground. But before it goes into this basket, it's going to be put into a sieve, a jhorodi. And only the fine flour is going to go through. And only that will be used to decipher the meaning of life. ಅರಗುಣಾದ ಬಲಿಯವ ಹೂಡಿ ನಿರಗುಣಾದ ಕಟಿಕಿಯ ನಿಲವಿ. ಅರಗುಣಾದ ಒಲಿಯವ ಹೂಡಿ ನಿರಗುಣಾದ ಕಟಿಕಿಯ ನಿಲವಿ. ಸಂಜೋತಿ ಖಾಟಿ ಕೊರದು ಒಲಿ ಪುಟ್ಟುವ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಬಾರಕ ತಂಗ್ಯರ ಕೂಡಿ ಈ ಬಾರಕ ತಂಗ್ಯರ ಕೂಡಿ ಗುರುಲಿಂಗ ಜಂಗಮ ಘಾಡೆ. Araguna the Vali. There is a stove of my consciousness. And I'm going to feed it with formless knowledge. That will be the firewood. And I will reach to the eternal flame. Sanjoti khaddi kardu. Vali puttu amade. We're going to start this stove by lighting it, drawing from the eternal flame. ಭಾವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀರಿಗ ಹೋದ ಭಗುತೆಂಬೋ ಅಡ್ಗಿ ತಯ್ಯಾರ. ಭಾವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀರಿಗೆ ಹೋದ ಭಗುತೆಂಬೋ ಅಡ್ಗಿ ತಯ್ಯಾರ. ಸಿರಿ ಗುರು ರ್ಯಾವಪಯ ದೇವಾರ ಎಡಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ಬಾರಕ ತಂಗ್ಯರ ಕೂಡಿ ಗುರುಲಿಂಗ ಜಂಗಮ ಘಾಡೆ. ಭಾವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀರಿಗೆ ಹೋದ, with all my concentration, with all my devotion, with all my intention. It could be any of those things. I go to the water. I go fetch water. And with this water I will make the food of bhakti, of devotion. I will make this food and I will offer it to my Guru, Guru Revapaya. ಕಾಂಚಿನ ನಾವ ಭಾತ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೂರಾದಾವ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನವದಾಗಿ ಮಾಠದಾಗ ನವದಾಗಿ ಮಾಠದಾಗ ಗುರುದೇವರೇವಪಯ್ಯ. ತೆಂಗಿನ ನೀರ ಹರದಾವೆ ಈ ಬಾರಕ ತಂಗ್ಯರ ಕೂಡಿ ಗುರುಲಿಂಗ ಜಂಗಮ ಘಾಡೆ. ಕಂಚಿನ ನವಭತ್ತ. It's describing each new grain as a brass pellet. And the question is, where all are these grinding stones which are breaking these grass pellets, which are grinding them into flour? Yes, there is one in Navadgi Matha. There is a place called Navadgi in North Karnataka, and in that place there is a grinding stone. It's almost like each grinding stone is connected in one way or the other through the act of this devotion. And in Navadgi Matha, you will also see that there are rivers of coconut water flowing. When there are so many people offering coconuts to the god, you will see these rivers flowing. So the last two lines, the last two verses are kind of geotags, yeah? They tell you where this song is coming from. And of course, the singing of the two sisters. Ye barakangyara kudi guru linga jangama khade. Ye khaya visakala madi guru bina pada ke wade. ಕೈಲಾಸದವರು ಹೇಳರ ತಂಗಿ ಜಲಮಾದಂಗಿ ಈ ಬಾರಕ ತಂಗ್ಯರ ಕೂಡಿ ಗುರುಲಿಂಗ ಜಂಗಮ ಘಾಡೆ. This is a very philosophical song being sung by women while they are grinding. And again, this philosophy is so deep. It has concepts of bhakti which seems almost unimaginable as to how these women composed it. But then the tag kind of tells you that there is a story that's from here and that has kind of traveled to different places. So Navadgi is quite far away from Mudvi, where my grandmom lived. And yes, of course, there are few words in there that I'm still wondering what the meanings of, like sasar ghada, the jholloni hidda. So people who understand this language, please do help me better understand it. Over the years, from hearing it from my grandmother, my aunt, and recently my cousin sister who helped me kind of decipher the meaning, the song keeps evolving in terms of meaning and how it feels in my mouth and in my body. So I would urge you to try this one. It's a little tricky. I will put in the lyrics. This is the last but one episode of this series. There's one more song to go in this series, and it's been a wonderful time spending with you guys, giving you all these songs and receiving feedback. It's been something. Thank you so much for being with me through this journey, and I will see you for one last episode next week.